Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about what is a page rank, and it is very important for you to know what is a page rank. Now page rank is all about the backlinks. In the last sessions we have learned, right, what do I mean by a backlink. Now in the other website blogs other than Click and Capture Studio, if they write the blog related to wedding model or product photography, anything related to our business somehow, and if they mention the link of Click and Capture Studio blog or maybe the page or anything related to Click and Capture Studio website in their blogs, those links can be called as backlink from the other website to our website. Alright, now you understand what do I mean by a backlink. Now quickly I want to give you an example so that you will understand what is the page ranking. And first thing, who will decide the page rank? The Google or the Google bot will decide the page ranking. The travelers, the spiders, it will decide the page ranking of our website. And how do they decide our page ranking? So the important thing is, when someone belongs to the other websites, if they write a blog and in the blog if they mention the link that belongs to Click and Capture Studio, the Google bot will understand that, alright, a lot of websites are referring Click and Capture Studio, which means the Click and Capture Studio is a genuine website. It have a genuine content. And the Click and Capture Studio is really very much important because a lot of other websites are referring to Click and Capture Studio. So when someone search for the content that inside the Click and Capture Studio, we have to keep the Click and Capture Studio onto the top of the Google search engine results page. Now the page rank will always be higher when more websites keep the link of Click and Capture Studio on their blogs. The more number of websites keeps the link, the page rank will be that much higher. So it is always important for us to have a backlinks in multiple other websites. And even when I say the other websites, clearly I mentioned the term popular, right? Which means all the famous websites, maybe all the world websites, all the running websites, all the popular websites. Only in those websites, if we have the links related to Click and Capture Studio, Google will consider and give a very high page ranking. If we have a higher page ranking, then that is the time our website will come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. Now here I have mentioned unpopular websites. Imagine there are a lot of backlinks from 7 different websites, but all the 7 different websites are unpopular. When I say unpopular, maybe a new websites. And when these websites are not that much good, even though we have hundreds of backlinks from unpopular websites, then the Google will not rank us and will not keep onto the top of the Google search engine results page. It is always important for us to have the backlinks only from the good websites. So I want you to understand what exactly do I mean by a page ranking. If you have any questions in it, you can ask me in the comments right below this video and I will answer you. And also in the next video, I want to talk about SERP ranking. Now once I explained about SERP ranking, search engine results page ranking, you will get a very clear picture. And after that, I clearly give you even the explanation difference between the page ranking and then the SERP ranking. Both are different. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you are watching my channel for the very first time and if you have an interest to learn the digital marketing completely for free, I want you to navigate to my Edurself YouTube channel page and search for the playlist digital marketing. There you will find the videos of digital marketing right from the basics, and you can find more than hundreds of digital marketing classes topic wise, and definitely you will love it. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.